I think my application might have just like I closed Unity, like the last overlay version, and it took OBS with it. So, whoops. That's good though, because I'm making new changes and we'll need to test them, so it'd be good to do a new build anyway. So for now, overlays off. Sorry about that. So the garbage collector must have an instance of clearing away, destroy garbage. Yeah, let's just do that. Testing for the win. Okay. Thanks for sticking with me. Appreciate it. Okay, so we're gonna test this little champ and see if he gets HP. So he's got, where's the Jellycat script? Up here. He's got 10 hit points. See what happens. Just let a Jellycat loose on a hard drive. Yeah, garbage collect it, please. Just absorb the hard drive. Oh, it's gonna null ref because I didn't set the AI buddy. Give me a sec. Hey, at least he wanders around now. Wandering confirmed. Okay, so I need to set AI buddy on him. Apply all. Yeah, you guys can also, if you haven't followed yet, test out whether like Jellycats that appear from follows work, but once it's running. If you'd like. Okay, there he goes. There's a little 10 HP. I didn't run this from elsewhere. Okay. I assume making them run away from bombs is a lot more work. Yes. I don't know how to make them run away from things at all in any way. So this will only work when he's got 3 or less HP after he's been damaged. And they should go towards this popcorn. The bombs aren't working, are they? I think I need to do this. Did that work? That didn't really work, did it? It's not quite working, is it? I wonder why the popcorns work, though. Okay, give me a sec. Play from launcher. Susama, thank you. Wait, Susama, tier 3. Holy shit, Susama, thank you. That's incredible, thank you. Okay, so this should run through the launch scene, open up so I can go into offline mode, and then allow me to spawn in, and then hopefully be able to, it will all run properly. I need to make it so that it's easy to run scenes and stuff. Offline mode it. Because it takes so much time to get around. Look at this. Look how fucking slow this is. There must be a way to get the little AI bots to run away. Okay. Forward in. Main. Cool. Screens aren't turning up in the... That's interesting. All right. Hey, little guy. I don't think they set off bombs in quite the same way. Eight HP. Okay, he's got 8 HP. 7. 7 HP. Six. 5. 4. Too many bombs. He's gonna die. Let him have his popcorn. He ate it. Yes, it works. You killed him. I saw it happen though. Okay, so he has to get... He ate it. He did eat it. Jellycat. Okay, so we get them to eat items. So, absorb item is handled by this. Regain HP. So, eat item, int, HP restore. This is fun. HP health points plus equals HP restore. Okay. Equals 1. So he'll get at least 1 back. But we can eat item. Cool. So if we say eat item, it automatically goes to 1, but say we say that we want Okay, so on garbage, since that's how we're doing this, food value, I don't know. Public void food value equals 1. So it's always going public int food value, say jellycat eat item dot food value. I do think you need a bit of fun to break up the projects. Now, does bomb size increase damage done, or do we scale up popcorn and soda with subscriber age like bombs? That's all good questions. I don't know off the top of my head. I think yeah, that's a question for another dog brain, I think. Okay, let's run it again. I remember someone saying it'd be cool if there was like a version of it inside them. There he goes. What a good little guy. What a good little guy. All right, where is he on the thing? He's here. Wow, it does not like me clicking on objects. Health points, 10. All right. Seven. How did that take off 7? Interesting. Yeah, his little winky face. All right. Come here. Eat this. Didn't eat it. Maybe he didn't collide with it. Come on. You should come over and eat this one if he gets a bit more damage. Maybe he can't collide with something I'm holding. He should be able to though. Come on. Alright. Don't come on then. Come on, right here. Right here. Come on. No? Okay. It's food for you. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Okay, he should be damaged a little bit more. He's got 4. He's got 4 hit points. Come on. One more bomb. Yep, that's enough. Okay, I missed them both. Yeah, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Go on. Eat it. There he goes. Yes. He ate it. He gained HP. He did it. We got another one though. You killed him. Oh no, he's still alive. He's still going. 3 HP. Oh yeah, another one. He's keeping himself alive. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where'd he go? The ecosystem is real. He's got 4 HP. He's kind of protected here. Do not take my Roomba son. Do not take my Roomba son from me. Don't go in the can. No! Oh, that's still broken. God damn it. Well, I love this one more now. What's your HP? Where even are you? Jelly, 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 jelly. Jelly? I feel like I clicked on you. Oh, I missed you. Here. No. Come here. Get out of the fire. Fucking cat. Get out of the tree. Where'd he go? There he is. I got him. I got him. Okay, Jellycat spawner, Jellycat clone. He's got 14 HP. This one's a beast. Oh my god. Roombas. Did it. I did it. He went in the cannon as well. We need to fix that. We need to fix it. That's so funny. Look. They're just hanging out. They're just little guys and they're just hanging out. Why do we have this happen? Switch mana to... It's probably this. It's probably this. Deactivate cannon loader at here. AI buddy, deactivate. Okay. On trigger, enter, deactivate. Why don't you like that? Maybe I can just do that. And they'll not care about it. Safe. Yeah, hanging upside down above the abyss. Oh, I'm so mad. According to OBS, because of that crash on OBS's part 20 minutes ago, it almost halved our viewer count. They got lost in the ether, you guys. The music is from Persona 5. It's one of Swifty's recent favorite games. I don't know why though, because it was firing the cats before. We saw their little spinny tails helicopter away. I don't know what's preventing that from now happening again. It's definitely something to do with the nav agent. Maybe there's a better way of pausing them? I'm not sure. Like, stop telling it where it should go. Let's try this one. Where'd he go? In the fire. Okay. All right. Wild. Let's try that again. Okay. So it definitely needs the nav mesh disabled. Okay, good. I don't think you like that. Chat, I don't think you like that. There's also a weird thing, after I picked a cat up, I can't stand on them anymore. I just kickflip. Oh, this one seems better. Sort of, not really. Did you implement something that changes their faces after they spawn? Yeah, they get a different expression and they get a different color when they spawn in. So sometimes it's yellow, sometimes it's something else. You want this? You want this? Yeah? Yeah, you want it? You want it? I don't think it's gonna blow up. There we go. Eat this. Okay, now it's... Are you gonna go for... You gonna go for something? What's his HP at? It does not like the editor at all. 7. 7. Maybe I should put it at like half life. So at like at 5. They just do randomly eat stuff as they go over it though. Do they? Oh, they just hoover it. Yes, it works. We can use them like a hoover. New tech. Vroom, 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 vroom. Jellycat Hoover. Jellycat Hoover. Yes. Build the ultimate Jellycat. Yes. Nom 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 nom. He's so full now, you guys. New tech unlocked. They should eat bombs as well. Jellycat Hoover is your favorite US president. Oh, I need to make this be the main screen and then do inspector over here. And do this. And then do this. There we go. That's better. That's better for streaming. There's an old video game on the Wii that had little ball-like animals that ate everything else as a mechanic. Could you do that chomping animation? Possibly. Possibly. Eat this. Feed the Jellycat. Eat this. Eat this. I don't think the blue one's eating anything. Bug or feature? Bug or feature? Oh, it is. It is eating them. I love them. I love them. Thank you. Dumb shit Thursday. Are we forgetting that they're the enemy? Okay, so that code is definitely disliking that. So nav agent enabled. False. So maybe this has to be in this order. Yesterday's enemy is today's Hoover. Why is there a sad cat floating around the ship? So part of the raid mechanic is that these Jellycats, they are the raiding party, and so we are. We're working on their mechanics at the moment. And chat suggested that they could eat stuff. They were just kind of blowing up too fast. I don't feel like they're spawning their particle when they're supposed to get destroyed, though. The best revenge is using your enemy as a household appliance. Well, I liked the logic that someone said of like, well, if they're raiding in and then they follow, they jump off the raider ship onto your ship like their jumping ship, to now follow a different raider. I like the suggestion of that visually of the logic. Get in the cannon. It worked! No, it didn't work. Or at least it sort of worked. I think it did work though. I think it worked. I think it just happened to land. It happened to land on another nav mesh that's out here. You did it, buddy. You did it. You flew. That worked though. That totally worked. Can I disable that mesh? What happens if I disable that mesh? Does that go? Because it used to fly away. Nav. Nav mesh. Ship nav. If I turn this off. No. Yeah, it's Swifty's gamer nest. I don't know how to. I don't know how to disable that. It landed on something it's supposed to land on. I don't know how to disable that. I also don't know how to get it back. Wait, is it still there? It is still there. Okay, hang on. Maybe I can get it. All right, can I get it? Grabby, 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 grabby. Oh, missed. I threw it. Here we go. Couldn't grab it. Wouldn't let me grab it. Yeah, it's weirdly, it's being weird. It's being weird, you guys. It's being really weird. This makes it look like I streamed directly out of Unity. I do like the meta of this, which is like, hey, this VTuber lives inside of the Unity engine, like the Unity editor now. That's fun. It's wrong, but it's fun. Yeah, I only exist in here, you guys. Bomb the raiders. If you like what you're seeing, by the way, if you follow the channel, a little jelly cat like the one that's out there will appear here, and then we'll throw you in the cannon. Throw it in the cannon, not you in the cannon. You're not the jelly cat, but are you? But maybe. Who knows? It is a fun concept, actually. I like it. I like it. Okay, so we can write some stuff. If you unfollow and then follow, can you trigger it? No? Hold on, no. We don't want Twitch seeing that we're being heavily unfollowed. Dog, that sounds like a lie. It's not a lie. I would never. Oh, hey. Hey, Jack. How's it going? Jack Games 3009. Welcome in. We're adding some interesting scuff logic. Let's see. We added a suggestion box. We fixed this. Jellycat's done. Yorkshire Tea Redeem in progress. Making chat into a hat in progress. Suggestion box done. Jellycats have HP and can regain some HP by eating garbage. That's the ecosystem now. I'm assuming you guys tried to follow just now and it failed. I could be wrong. Is that a tree upside down and on fire? No. We'll just not look at that. We'll just not look at that. It's certainly not a fart-powered rocketry. Yeah, we sent our tree into space at the end of the last year, and we landed back on the deck. It's got surprising lasting power. A big reason for that, though, is that we are messing around with this. Whoa! Yo! Let's see what the Jellycats do now. That other one is excited. Okay. So they don't wander around anymore. They're a little scuffed. Let's pause it and see why. Okay. Why though? Why indeed? So their nav, it's AI Buddies active. Its nav mesh agent is active. All the nav meshes are active. It's pretty much sitting on one, I think, unless it's not. Like, what if I move this down like this? Will it move them? Not really. So set destination can only be called on an active agent that has been placed on a nav mesh. So by I've scuffed it somehow. Okay. I think by the same logic that I got the it working, so activate on launch. It needs to not do this. It needs to be activated later. That's what it is. Okay. That's fine. I just have to make sure that the Jellycat here activates, that the prefabs don't activate on launch until they're told to, and this one can, but that's an exception. Try that. Is that a grass type Jellycat? Sure, yeah. Maybe I'll make a small app that I can run where it's just me. So I can have the character doing stuff, but like it can be more lightweight, so I can run this. So I can be on screen, but it's just me at a desk or something. Okay, so that one's still wandering about, so that's good. And then we test the raid. Alright, this comes in. Bombs. There they go! Yes! Yes! Little Jellycats wandering around, scurrying. Avast, ye dogs. Amazing. Now they're coming for me. No. 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 There we go. I feel like they need to pivot from their face a little more. They're too strong now. They're too strong. This is what happens when the Raiders win. They're not immune to bombs. They have HP now. And they gain HP by eating garbage. So popcorn fuels them. They're like tiny Roombas now. Can you defeat them? I think you've defeated them. No, this red one's going for it. This red one's staying alive. I feel like I watched this video where it was like, what was it? Rabbits on an island simulating like an ecosystem. Oh no. They've broken again. Hey Swifty. They're still doing this. So their nav mesh agent is off. Their nav mesh agent is currently off, but they are still kinematic. Do I have to set them to not be kinematic in order to fly? Is it just simply that? Okay. Let me just quickly tidy this up. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yeah. Super cat. Yeah. Roomba cat. I wish I could stand to them afterwards. I wonder what that is about. I think it's a changing of layer thing. This seems better. Cool. Let's see if when a cannon fires, okay, cannon loader. If it's a JC, deactivate. JC dot. Get component. Rigid body. Dot. Is kinematic equals false. Pretty sure the cannon would do that as well, though. Should probably do it here. Rigid body. Where do you fire? Because maybe it doesn't. Doesn't look like I do. So that's probably it. Where's the Jellycat part of here? MB, MB, MB. Maybe I don't have it. Rigid body, rigid body, rigid body. Nope. Okay, that should be it then. Try it. Whenever you feed your cats garbage, they just lay on the floor screaming. They're not made of jelly though. Not like my cats. Jelly cats are improvised vacuum cleaners. Nah. Okay, so main, and then allows that camera, then debug, toggle, main, and this. That was it. Yes! Goodbye, kitty. But then it hits there. Okay. Okay. No, I haven't. Wait, why is the collider so fucking huge for this thing? What? Okay, let's just fix this. No wonder they're so silly. When I took the project back to 2021, all of the collider logic went out of the window. So is this like a game in development that'll be released for people to play, or is it a playground for your Twitch streams? It's at the moment just designed to be a playground for my Twitch streams. Like, I'm just fucking around and fighting out. I'm using it as a way to learn Unity. I do want to make a online multiplayer pig jousting game at some point in the future that will take what I learned from this and apply it forward, and may well build that inside of my stream overlay in the first iteration. So yeah, there's that. But for the most part, I'm just goofing off. I feel like there is a stupid collider here. Remove component. Okay. Obstacle. Okay. Oh, this is this. Interesting. Okay, so the canvas is probably larger. The canvas probably doesn't need a doesn't need collision, but it's kind of fun to run up them and hit Swifty with them. So make it about this big. You talked about building a multiplayer element into this for having friends on as guests, didn't you? I did, and I went a long way towards getting that ready. And then I hit October last year, and it's just been kind of like falling and flailing forward since getting the base of that working. To get... Yeah, multiplayer is working with an asterisk, yeah. It was working. And I was working on it. So when I hit play on here, it loads up the base thing. Yeah, between multiplayer version 2, Halloween, and Stronglemas, I got pulled in a bunch of different directions. And I'm trying to have them all coalesce into what is now going to be like version 2. The raid feature plays a big role in that because like it's like one of the final pieces of the puzzle that was there before. Like everything else was just kind of like bells and whistles, but raid's been broken for a long time. And it's cool, yeah. Okay. Let's see, I need an image I can post in. Oh, Kiko, you could possibly post in an image. I don't know how we would check that this thing knows how to avoid them, though. You're a VIP. I trust you. Oh, wild. You don't have permission to use this command, but he does, Trashbot. Shut up. That didn't appear to work, though. Hang on. I can't even see that as a link to post. Oh yeah, it's not grab. It's not grab, it's post. It's post. It used to be grab. You were completely correct, but I changed it to post because I wanted grab to be... It's still not working. Forbidden response. This content is no longer available. Maybe it's from a private Discord or something. You've failed me this time, Kiko. I will post this in. There we go. This is how I feel. All right, Cat. You know how to avoid... God damn it. Being bombed. Do you know how to avoid this? Does it know? Do you know about this now? It does. It's coming for you. Maybe Twitch erased it. It's kind of working. I'm not sure that I would call that a success. I'm not sure I would call this a success. Maybe I had to put some settings. No, it's just box capsule. Sure is just still walking into those, huh? Easels are pretty fixed points. Like, even I can't run into them. Why is their holding point so far away? That's better. So maybe make it like 0.5. There we go. That's more sensible. Oh, I didn't realize you guys couldn't see anything for ages. You can't see. Sorry. What type of game with simple mechanics yet a challenge enough to really learn game design would you suggest? I think if you think of like one mechanic and build a game around one central mechanic, that's probably the way to go. So yeah, like something like Snake. There's a lot more that goes into something like Snake than you'd realize. Build Mario or Asteroids. Yeah, build something that maybe already exists. There's a thing that storyboarders do where they take a finished film and they like almost retro board it, where they like look at how it could have been boarded to kind of learn to deconstruct. I think approach maybe a game that you've enjoyed playing, but a simple one would be a good way, because then you're learning like, well, see, you're saying how would you learn game design rather than game implementation. So learning how to design games is a bit different from learning how to make them. Really doesn't like me when I stand on them after I've held them. Is that because they're not kinematic anymore? That might be because they're not kinematic anymore. Haha! He says, not able to return. Not gonna lie, and I'm a bit confused. I thought game design was making games, the programming, visuals, music, and all that. Game design is like, if I could compare it to something, yeah, design is within the development umbrella, but you design a game and then you build the game based on the design. So when I was saying something like retroactively take a game concept that already exists and try to build that, you have the design for that laid out in front of you that you are building towards. So if you want to specifically learn how to design games, it's still a good way to learn how someone else has approached the design, but that kind of learning is focused more on how you execute on an idea. How you define and refine an idea is kind of the part and parcel of how game design works. So it's like, I want to come up with a mechanic versus how do I build that mechanic that I have come up with. And as a game designer, you can do both. You can design and implement. Oh yeah, here we are. Wait, no, I don't even want to play this. I would say that if you are designing video games, you should learn how to build them too, so that you have a grounding on like how it's done. Like if you were working in a team and you had like a specialist programmer who was like, cool, I'm really good at maybe they're like a graphics programmer, like they're really good at shading and stuff, then that you can go down the specialist niche of like learning how to write shaders and optimizing a rendering pipeline without even touching what the game actually is. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. But if you just want to be like a indie solo developer, you got to wear all the hats anyway. So just like trying to make that's kind of what I'm doing is, thanks for the follow, little cat. What I'm doing is like, oh, this might be a cool idea. How would I implement that? And I'm both acting as designer and implementer. Whereas Swifty is more like design and art, where it's like, it would be cool if we could do this in the overlay DOIG. A game designer is the movie director of games. Sort of. I wouldn't even say it's writer. It's called Pirate Mike because you have writers that work on game narrative. There's ludology and like there's game narrative and all that stuff. There's a lot more crossovers. Like I would say, a designer is maybe more like, you get production designers in film who are kind of like in charge of the look, feel, tone of a film. So, but they have designer in their job title, so maybe it's that. Oh yeah, I was gonna. So I think the Jellycat needs to stay kinematic when I drop them, and that's what's messing with the ability to stand on them again. They stop being rigid body, and so I'm pushing them around. So on their grabbable, stay kinematic. Does that even count if I throw them? I don't think that counts if I throw them. So maybe when they return to their AI movement state, they should set their rigid body to be kinematic. That's what we want. So if I throw them, I need to look for my holder. It's a good combo. It's good to try and understand more nuance of it. Big Band Monster, gotta say you both are very talented. Love seeing your stuff, my dude. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. So drop. If Jellycat, delayed activate. Invoke activate. If get component dot. So let's just establish our rigid body. RB equals on enable. Do we want it on enable or do we want it on activate? Component rigid body. If RB dot is kinematic equals true. That should serve our needs. Several of us that contributed to the Jellycat mechanic ideas today participated in the game design, but only dog programmed. Yeah.
Big
Yo,
Good
thank you.
Monster underscore bombed us with 500 bits. PTW. Hope you and Swift are doing well. Hope the programming goes good for you.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thanks for the support. Appreciate it. Yeah, design incorporates a lot of people who are involved in the making of anything contribute towards what the design of the thing is. I think the more collaborative a project is, the more people who are working on it, the more it becomes the designer's responsibility to collate, curate, and like take that and kind of forge it into what is ultimately what the vision is of whatever everybody's making. So like the designer's role is kind of like if you think of it like, if you were forging a sword, the designer is kind of like the blacksmith who is hammering it into the correct shape. But everyone is like contributing the metal that the sword is made of. I don't know, man. I don't know. But clumsy metaphor, for sure. Where the hell did the cat go? Is it in here somewhere? Where'd my cat go? Not my actual cat, my jelly cat. Must be here somewhere. Maybe it got fired. Maybe it got fired out of the cannon almost immediately. Yes. Yes, it did. It's somewhere. Okay. Ultimately, if you want to do anything, just do it. Like, any step forward that you take in the attempt to just do it is good. Even if you do something that, like, is not the most efficient first step, it doesn't matter. It's still a first step that you can learn from. Like, you just like, does this work? Oh no, it didn't work. You've learned that it didn't work. Tried something else. Like, yeah, learning by doing. Shift F to go to the world position. I didn't know Shift F did that. That's useful. All right, cat. It's just you and me. I've picked you up. I've put you down. I stand on you. We're good. Surfing cat is go. Mush. Mush. It only works after the AI is reactivated. We should listen to Seeker of Mana? Skies of Arcadia. Can you put the cat in the cannon? Certainly can, my good sir. Certainly can. Goodbye. Then they reactivate. Which is a bug. Oh, I got him back. Cool. It makes it look like he's in water. Lovely, this is top tier canon content. Thank you. I can also go in the cannon. And they have little HPs. So if they get 2 damage, they'll go pop. Although, I feel like it doesn't know what the pop thing is, because I've never seen it fire. They just disappear. Can you tie their face expression to their HP? Yeah. Yeah, totally. This is the logic for their face expressions. I can't remember what each of them was. So the sadder as they get hungrier. It will mean that they would all start with like they would all start with like default expressions or maybe like a range of 1 to 5 or something. What was I looking for? It was a cat. What was I just for the expressions? Grabbable. They were over in the corner. The thing. When they explode. Jelly explosion. Why aren't you triggering? Are you kidding me? Is that what it is? No. That's rubbish. That can't be what I'd set. Let's make it that. What was that? 12 muzzle. Oh, 13 hit. Yeah, let's do something like that. 13 hit. And then like, let's add a killing time of that of 1 second, 2 seconds. Okay. Doesn't loop. Good. Okay. And then let's give this jelly cat 2 HP. And delete all these. Replay. Could spawn with a random expression and only jump to the scared after the HP goes down. Yeah. They could change their expression when they get hit as well. When there's a raid and redeem bombs, is that how we fight back? Exactly. That's exactly how we fight back. Okay. So he's happy-go-lucky, he gets exploded. Okay, what's that? Why is that? Why is that? Why is that broken? Why? Okay, that something happened there. Something happened there that shouldn't have happened there. Oh, 1 sec, guys. Hey there. Sorry about that. We got a phone call. What was this about? A clip on deck? Is it here? Huh. It doesn't appear to be loading in chat. What is this of? Oh, that bomb that confused me. Thank you. Yeah. It seemed like it was to do with the Jellycat, which I think you guys... Yeah, let's see if it works. It worked. That's cool. It was like it was trying to hit us both, but it didn't happen. Maybe it was trying to do both. That's probably what it was. I think on Jellycat, it tried to do this, but then it was immediately doing this. I think that's what it was. So maybe we should do this first and then return. And then it wouldn't try and trigger this one because AI Buddy is going to be destroyed. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why it affected the bomb though. But it was maybe because the bomb called this and then it null refed. That it null refed into the bomb. Yeah, it probably hit here and then just didn't continue. Yeah, that was good. So yeah, what that was Swifty's parent, her dad just called, who said he's gonna drop by. So it's now make sure the apartment is visitable time. So I'm debating on whether I keep streaming and coding or I stop and I go and help Swifty tidy. And you know what I want to do? The legendary older Swifty. You know what I want to do, which is just keep building stuff. We have an hour. We have an hour before he turns up. Of course. Yeah, so I think in the spirit of that, I'm gonna call the stream here. You can always come back. It's true. Doik, you know what you must do. I know. I'm just felt like I was getting some momentum, you know? The next thing probably would have been trying to get mod ghosts. Grabbing stuff and posting images to a grab point. Keep streaming and then distract Swifty's dad with a stream when he gets here. Yes, don't look away. You're right, yeah. Mod ghost. Speech bubble. be handled more in screen space so they don't crop when close to camera. That's right. Yeah, just use them as vacuums. A tip Martina command, an anim. I think I actually had something where Martina has a bone for her wheelchair and a bone for yeah, I think the wheelchair has its own bone. Yes, good. And then a root for... Yep. Yep. That's totally possible. It's like it was built in. Now, I just want to, because Martina is not here and we are referencing something, Martina, who is one of our moderators, asked me specifically to animate her falling out of her wheelchair on stream with this character as a representation of her, who is in real life in a wheelchair. This was not my idea. As funny as it is. So don't tell her, peeps. Let it be a surprise. Well, I'm not going to be working on it now because I have to go and tidy. But depending on how I feel in a few hours, maybe I'll just launch the stream again. Probably not, but the feeling is that I had momentum going. So for now, I'm gonna check out who's around. You'll be here. Appreciated. Let's see. Do this. Hello, man. Following Twitch. Oh, In-Game Asylum is on. They could be cool to raid. Yeah. Let's go with In-Game Asylum. He's got a very, very fun, dry sense of humor. And over the last few months, I've been chatting with him and we've become kind of buds. So, his production value on his stream is through the roof. Yeah, and an overlay as crazy as ours, if not more so. He finished. Are you serious? Did he literally just... Or he's finishing. Oh my god. Okay, cancel. Ah. That sucks. Okay. He's looking for who to raid right now. Well, I mean... I can't though. I can't though. It's just gonna be it's just gonna be him coming in and then I have to go. Yeah, if you guys know where he's raiding to, then I'll just raid into whoever he thinks he's gonna raid, and then we can double up on it or something. Because my options are pretty limited. He's about to give options. We're just meta gaming this now. That's hilarious. Maybe, okay, let's look like I'm doing something impressive. You don't mind raiding him and then being handed off. I don't know, man. I should just go. I should just go. I need to use this room more. Oh, room. You know, this toaster used to fire toast. Used to. You're one of his options, no lie. Is he doing a poll? Is he doing a poll? Everybody run in there and vote us. That's really funny. That's really funny. I'm trying to get my thing to load so I can like show you what I'm doing with my face and it's just not running. Hey little man. Who's a gooby goober? Who's my goodest boy? Who's my goodest boy? It's been months since a Cletus raid, so he's sending everyone there. Okay, that's fair. Come on. Do you know what their at is? He decided against us because he raided us recently. Why did he make us an option then? Did we win the vote? Now I'm mad. Now I'm mad. What's Cletus's at? I didn't see a vote. Okay. Okay. So he was just playing. All right. Okay. You found someone cute. Oh, what it? Hello? What? This is a little scuffed, you guys. Why? Why? There we go. That was wild. It's still scuffed. Dog, sit up straight. There we go. Oh wow. It's like it's backwards. The axes are backwards. That's wild. It's a good bug. Cletus Blueford. Okay. I don't know who that is. Hey Kieran, I have to end. Swifty's dad is turning up in like an hour. And I feel bad. He's playing Ark. I just need to check that this was working before I end. No worries, good luck. I know, right? I was gonna do raid. I was gonna stream long time. Do you guys know Cletus? Are they cool? Okay. My face tracking is scuffed. Swifty passed me the fucking thing and it was inside settings for this. And I think it's fucked. Enable head rotation? Well, that's off. Adjusting motion weight. Smoothing motion. Behavior reset button. Amazing. Okay, like cool. My head tracking is broken. There's a guy who called Nutbush who does physical sculpting. I haven't finished the raid thing, no. Thanks for the follows. Yeah, this is what we got working today is these are Jellycats. If you follow the channel, you spawn a Jellycat. The Jellycats will get bombed by bombs.
Now Mace Jack bombed us with 100 bits to go clean.
Okay. I'll go clean. Bye, everybody. But also, the Jellycats can eat garbage now. Nom nom nom. Now they eat popcorn. Good night. Okay. Okay, I'll raid someone and I'll go. And then I might be back later. I probably won't be, but I have a feeling to do so. So just, I don't know. Stay chill. I'll keep deving tonight, either or. Okay, we are going to go see maybe Colo?
But this is the Sony version.
Yeah, we're gonna raid Hillo's Colo. They're cool and chill, and I think they're great. So. If you've not seen them before, they are British. They love tea. Hello, their name is Hello, I'm Cola Jones. I love space, plants, and getting lost in a great narrative. I play games with my feelings firmly in the driving seat. I'm passionate about accessibility and use of adaptive controllers to play games partially with my feet. That's awesome. One of us. Yeah, she sounds like this.
Trickily boxed. And when you have hands that aren't very reliable, hi, if you're new here, I'm Carlo, I have a disability that affects my hands. and the rest of my body. But primarily how you see it manifest here in on stream is that my grip isn't very strong. I can't grip onto things for long periods of time.
So she's unboxing something that's going to let her play with her feet, I think. That's cool. Sorry, Todd. Yeah, Swifty's dad is turning up. And so I'm going to help go clean. Sorry about that. I might be back later. After the visit and everything. So enjoy Colo. And when I see you guys, I'll see you guys. If you haven't already done so and you want to know when streams are happening, please join our Discord. It's very cool. It's an announcement Discord, but I share stuff in there. Sometimes it's cat pictures. Sometimes it's just clips, memes, whatever. But it's usually what's happening when on the stream. Stream with Dad. He calls it a podcast. Okay, bye everybody.
Microwave
eating-
your